I hope history does not remember Chief Justice Chandrachud, and I hope his legacy is completely forgotten as quickly as possible.
Again, that is pretty damning. You hope history does not remember Justice Chandrachud, and you hope his legacy is forgotten as quickly as possible.
And I say so with great sense of responsibility. Although I have known him as a friend, I have respected him as a judge in the past, but his tenure as Chief Justice, also sometimes as a judge, has really been a matter of grave concern to me as a lawyer and somebody who loves the rule of law, respects judges, respects the Supreme Court, and loves the institution of judiciary. So I say so with all respect that it's better that we forget what has happened in the last 2 years in the office of Chief Justice of India.